Managing diabetes involves making smart food choices. And while vegetables are usually considered healthy, some might not be the best for keeping blood sugar levels in check. Curious to know which vegetables could be causing more harm than good? Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 worst vegetables for diabetes that might surprise you. Each one has hidden pitfalls that can impact your blood sugar control, and understanding these can make a big difference in your daily diet. Ready to find out which veggies to watch out for? Let's get started. Potatoes, a dietary staple cherished for their versatility, present significant challenges for individuals managing diabetes. Their high glycemic index, GI, which measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels, categorizes potatoes among foods that can cause rapid spikes in glucose. This characteristic is particularly concerning for diabetic individuals striving to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Beyond their GI, potatoes are notably rich in carbohydrates. A medium-sized potato typically contains around 37 grams of carbohydrates. This carbohydrate load can lead to pronounced increases in blood sugar levels post-meal, complicating glucose management and potentially contributing to long-term health complications associated with diabetes. Furthermore, the insulin response triggered by potato consumption can exacerbate insulin resistance over time. Insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes, occurs when cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes, managing insulin sensitivity is crucial for effective blood sugar control and overall health. While potatoes provide essential nutrients such as vitamin C and B6, they are relatively low in fiber and antioxidants compared to other vegetables. Fiber plays a vital role in slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which can help prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Antioxidants found in colorful vegetables and fruits are important for reducing inflammation and protecting against cellular damage, which is particularly beneficial for individuals managing chronic conditions like diabetes. Moreover, the preparation methods used for potatoes can significantly impact their healthfulness. Commonly enjoyed in forms such as mashed potatoes, French fries, or potato chips, these preparations often involve frying or added fats, which increase calorie and unhealthy fat intake. Such practices can further complicate blood sugar management and contribute to weight gain, another factor influencing diabetes control. In conclusion, while potatoes offer some nutritional benefits, their high GI, carbohydrate content, impact on insulin sensitivity, and often unhealthy preparation methods make them less suitable for individuals managing diabetes. Choosing vegetables with lower GI values, higher fiber content, and richer antioxidant profiles can better support blood sugar regulation and overall health outcomes in diabetic individuals. Corn, cherished for its sweet flavor and versatility in culinary dishes, presents challenges for individuals managing diabetes due to several key factors. Firstly, corn ranks high on the glycemic index, GI, indicating that it can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after consumption. This rapid increase can be particularly problematic for those striving to maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. In addition to its high GI, corn is relatively rich in carbohydrates. A single cup of corn contains about 30 grams of carbohydrates, which can significantly impact post-meal blood sugar levels. This carbohydrate load underscores the importance of portion control for individuals with diabetes, as excessive intake can lead to pronounced spikes in blood glucose. Furthermore, corn is lower in fiber compared to many other vegetables. Fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, thereby helping to mitigate the impact on blood sugar levels. The relatively lower fiber content in corn can contribute to faster and more significant rises in blood glucose levels post-consumption. While corn does provide essential nutrients such as vitamins, including B vitamins and vitamin C, minerals like magnesium and potassium, and antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, its impact on blood sugar levels should be carefully monitored by individuals with diabetes. Choosing vegetables with lower GI values, higher fiber content, and a richer nutrient profile can better support blood sugar regulation and overall health in diabetic individuals. Peas, often enjoyed for their sweetness and versatility in various dishes, present considerations for individuals managing diabetes. Peas have a moderate glycemic index, GI, meaning they can affect blood sugar levels but not as drastically as high GI foods like potatoes or corn. However, they still contain carbohydrates that can contribute to post-meal glucose spikes, especially if consumed in large quantities. While peas provide dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health and can help slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, their carbohydrate content remains a factor for diabetic individuals. 1 cup of peas contains approximately 21 grams of carbohydrates, which should be considered when planning meals to manage blood sugar levels effectively. In terms of nutritional value, peas are a good source of vitamins, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and several B vitamins, and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and potassium. They also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which contribute to their health benefits. Despite these nutritional benefits, individuals with diabetes should be mindful of portion sizes when consuming peas to avoid significant impacts on blood sugar levels. Incorporating peas into balanced meals that include lean proteins and healthy fats can help mitigate their effect on blood glucose levels and support overall health management in diabetes. In summary, while peas offer valuable nutrients and dietary fiber, their carbohydrate content requires careful consideration for individuals managing diabetes to maintain optimal blood sugar control. Balancing portion sizes and pairing peas with other nutrient-dense foods can contribute to a well-rounded approach to diabetes management and overall health. Butternut squash, known for its sweet flavor and vibrant orange flesh, is a vegetable that individuals managing diabetes should approach with caution. Like many starchy vegetables, butternut squash has a moderate to high glycemic index, GI. This means it can cause a notable increase in blood sugar levels after consumption, which may pose challenges for those aiming to maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. In terms of carbohydrate content, butternut squash contains approximately 21 grams of carbohydrates per cup when cooked. While it does provide dietary fiber, which can help slow down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream and support digestive health, the overall carbohydrate load should be considered when planning meals for diabetes management. Nutritionally, butternut squash is rich in vitamins A and C, which contribute to eye health, immune function, and skin health. It also provides minerals such as potassium, which is essential for nerve function and muscle contraction, and manganese, important for bone health and wound healing. Despite its nutritional benefits, individuals with diabetes should monitor their portions when consuming butternut squash to manage its impact on blood sugar levels effectively. Incorporating it into balanced meals that include lean proteins and healthy fats can help mitigate its glycemic effect and support overall blood sugar control. In summary, while butternut squash offers valuable nutrients and dietary fiber, its moderate to high glycemic index and carbohydrate content require careful consideration for individuals managing diabetes. Balancing portion sizes and incorporating it into a well-rounded meal plan can contribute to effective blood sugar management and overall health in diabetes. Sweet potatoes, prized for their sweetness and versatility in cooking, present considerations for individuals managing diabetes. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, GI compared to regular potatoes, but they still can moderately impact blood sugar levels. The GI of sweet potatoes can vary based on factors such as cooking method and variety, but generally they are considered a better option than high GI foods like white potatoes. In terms of carbohydrate content, sweet potatoes contain approximately 27 grams of carbohydrates per cup when cooked. While they provide dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, the overall carbohydrate load should be considered when planning meals for diabetes management. Nutritionally, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for vision health, immune function, and skin health. They also provide vitamin C and B6, potassium and manganese, contributing to overall health and well-being. Despite their nutritional benefits, individuals with diabetes should monitor their portions when consuming sweet potatoes to manage their impact on blood sugar levels effectively. Pairing sweet potatoes with lean proteins and healthy fats can help further mitigate their glycemic effect and promote satiety. In summary, while sweet potatoes offer valuable nutrients and dietary fiber, their moderate glycemic index and carbohydrate content require mindful consumption for individuals managing diabetes. Including them as part of a balanced meal plan can support overall blood sugar control and contribute to a nutritious diet for diabetes management and overall health. In conclusion, while vegetables are generally considered essential for a balanced diet, some, like potatoes, corn, peas, butternut squash, and sweet potatoes, require careful consideration for individuals managing diabetes. These vegetables vary in their impact on blood sugar levels due to factors such as glycemic index and carbohydrate content. Potatoes and corn, with their high glycemic index and significant carbohydrate load, can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making portion control crucial. Peas and butternut squash, although providing valuable nutrients and fiber, still contain enough carbohydrates to impact blood glucose levels, necessitating moderation in consumption. Sweet potatoes, while lower on the glycemic index scale and rich in nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamins, also require portion control due to their carbohydrate content. For those with diabetes, incorporating these vegetables into a well-balanced meal plan, alongside lean proteins, healthy fats, and low GI foods, can help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Monitoring portion sizes and choosing cooking methods that preserve nutrients and minimize added fats are essential strategies for optimizing nutritional intake and supporting overall health in diabetes management.